Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add text in Canva. You can also understand how you can change the font size of the text after watching this video. So let's start. First, open your Google account and then type Canva. Log in your Canva. After logging, you can see this dashboard. Now click on customize. Now I want a size of 1280 into 720. When it's open, now click on text and add heading. I can scroll the heading on the upper side and customize it according to my need. Just like I want to make a file on digital marketing, so I can type digital marketing on there. Now you can see it's a big heading. Now I can add subheading. I can put it on the side, on the left side. I also want to add the body text, so I can click on body text. Now I can customize my subheading into introduction of digital marketing. So now next thing, I want to change the body text, so I can get all this text as a dummy from the ChatGPT. So I can copy the text, body text, copy and paste on there on the place of body text. So I can paste it. Now I can set it on the left side. Now it's look good. According to it, you can prepare slides of your essay, of your different things you can choose. Now I want to change the style, font style of my heading. I want to set it playwright US modern. It's look friendly and unusual from others. Various is multiple range of styles are available on there. You can use according to your need, but I want simple and friendly, so I can choose playwright US modern. You can change it. Now I want to change the background. I change it in dark color and then light. Now it's prepared. I hope you can understand how I can add text in Canva sheet. If you want to change the size of the text, you can click on the text and then increase the size. In second sheet, I can teach you how you can change the text of a picture. So in this, I can remove the text and change the text. Firstly, I remove strategy due to how you can change text. Now I can remove unnecessary things which I don't want to add into my sheet. So I can change the background color into dark because my text now is in bright colors. This is exactly what I want to do in my text. I hope you learn how I can change the text according to my need, how I can change colors, font sizes. Now I can change the size, click on corner and drag it inward. Now I want to change font. These two examples how you can change the text in Canva. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more design and tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.